So we decided, it rained some last night, I decided to clean our Gaco roof. It's been on about 3 years. And the pigeons are nesting up above because I didn't have time to close that in. It's not leaking there anymore, but I need to rebuild that. And I had to rebuild a whole bunch of other places, and they took priority. So we've had a lot of junk on here, crap, and it's time to clean it off and inspect this roof before winter because we've done all that work on the porch. So I first cleaned off any of the crap and with the dustpan, and then I went through and did some sweeping. And now I'm going to take a bucket of water and I'm going to start rinsing this off. And hopefully we'll get it pretty clean. And then I'm going to inspect it later on before winter. And if I need any additional screws on the outer edge where I didn't screw it enough, I'm going to do that. I'm going to inspect the whole thing really close. I did crack it in the center when I jacked up, so one seam needs to be re-Gacoed for sure. But I'm going to make sure that everything else looks good. So back to the cleaning.